Crafty Vlog 6. I'm so excited to do these videos, you guys. I hope you're enjoying these videos. I am Dee Crafts. My life's a craft artist. Hope you're having a great day watching all these videos in my video series. And I'm going to do these videos as an ongoing video series on my channel just to start my small business and get all things I need to start up and have a good journey with you guys. Coming on my journey with me. It'll be so much fun to see you guys with me when I finally open this small business. I'm so excited. I love my leaves back there. I added butterflies back there. So if you see that, it's little butterflies. I added like a fall butterfly. And I love this journey of me showing you how I started my own business, how I'm buying all the supplies I need ahead of time. And I hope you enjoy every video I'm doing. I'm so excited. If you're excited, comment down below. If you're excited, click the notifications. If you're also excited, please like this video and tell your friends about this channel. I really appreciate it. So let's get started, you guys. I hope you enjoy this Crafty Vlog 6. It's number 6, and after number 10, you guys, I won't say that anymore. I'll just say whatever, and we'll start the vlog, but I'm doing it up to 10, so that's what I'm going to do for these videos. So I hope you have fun on my journey and my small business journey. I'm so excited, so I'll talk to you in the vlog. And if you don't know who my name is by now, or who I am by now, my name is Dee Crafts. My life is a craft artist, so let's get started. Dinner, you guys, my craft artist. I hope you enjoy your dinner. These are enchiladas with extra cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, and a lot of salsa. Look how good that looks, you guys. It looks so good. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Hope you have a great night. Guys, hope you like this video. Hope you're having fun creating your own small business and creating your own space for your creativity. So this is probably vlog or Crafty Vlog 6, and I'm showing some supplies that I got for my small business and for myself. So let's get started today. I bought this at Five Below. I love this. This treat people with kindness. I love it. It's adjustable artboard. It's good for your paintings or whatever you're gonna use it for. It's a wooden one. I really want to get a plastic or metal one, but this was a cheap one and for $5, and I love it. Also, I bought me a cork bulletin board. I bought this back in the day, like a long time ago at Walmart for my small craft room. I think I was gonna put it in, but now I'm gonna put it into my business. So this is really cool, and it cost me only $2.50. That's the regular price, you guys. And this is a pretty good size board, isn't it? I love it. So a lot of people don't use these anymore, but I'm gonna use mine in my small business. So I'm glad I bought this. So I'm so happy to show you the stuff I'm gonna be showing you today. So I hope you're excited. Let's put the light back on so you can see a little bit better. There you go. I still got the plastic on it, you guys. So yes, on creativity, and a yes, getting our act together. So that's what the sizes are right there. In case you want to get this, is at Walmart. I got this about 4, 5, 6 years old. It's been a long time. So I don't know if they still have this brand or this size or what, but I love it. And then I bought this at Walmart too. I was going to do a Draw My Life on YouTube. I decided not to do it that way. I'm going to do an animation version of my own. So it's kind of dusty. I've never used it, you guys. So this cost me around probably the same price, $2.50. And it comes with all kinds of stuff you would need. So this is what it looks like. I love it. I got me a little whiteboard. This was cool, like this, a little whiteboard. And then I got a bulletin board for it was supposed to be for my craft room, but I said, nah, let's do it for my craft business. So yeah, I'm trying to adjust the light, guys, in here. It's kind of dark. So yeah, it looks pretty good right now. So right now I'm going to be doing some work. I'm trying to upload some videos for Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. If you know that, I do Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland on my second channel called My Secret Life of a Craft Artist. I do 25. No, I do 25 videos. I do the whole 31 days. So yep, I love this, and I also did this for my video too. a while back because I love art. So this is the video I did. This is so cool. This is all construction paper. This is scrapbook paper. This is art drawing 101, art school, arts class, you know, and then design class. I made all these myself, you guys. So I know I'm a craft artist. So yep, the paper I didn't make obviously, but I made this. As you can tell on the back, it's kind of crooked a little bit, but I did make this. I did a video a long time ago with this making your own notebooks, and it's real notebook paper and everything. This is high YouTube. So I did it a long time ago. So back in the day when people actually did a lot of DIYs and a lot of cool craft videos, this is what I did. I love these. So I did it. This is gonna be part of another video I'm working on right now for art school. So yay for that. Let's put that away. So I'll talk to you guys in a few minutes. I hope you're having a great day. I'm trying to rearrange this room. Let me just go like this to show you how bad this room still looks. So ta-da! It's gotten worse, but better at the same time. So we're going to get this under control. I got my desk right there. I finally got a desk, you guys. I'm getting another one just like that because I like it. But I didn't open it up yet. So I didn't try that yet. I'm going to try that in the next couple days. I'll film that as well. So it's going to be so much fun. And I didn't film this over here yet. I was going to do it because of the internet. I don't have internet right now. So yeah, that's another video at a time. So I'm trying to get organized in here for my small business and my craft room. I don't have a craft room. So yay. I'm a cool organization. I'll be back talking to you in a little bit. At Michael's a long time ago. I don't even have this anymore. I bought this for my craft room, but I may use it for my small business as well. I kind of wanted separate recollections. Drawer top marker organizer. This is really cute. I love it. I love it so much. I have not used it yet. It's still in the package. And I paint. That's paint, you guys. That spilled down there. And then also I bought this at Staples. This closet made little cubicles. I'm using it for my craft room or small business. I'm not sure yet, but I love this so much. And yeah. It's over by the window. I put it over here for a reason, just to show you. I'm going to put it out in this room. I'm not sure where I'm going to do with it yet, but yay! Thumbnail. It's so hard to do, you guys. I hate thumbnails, so let's work on it. This looks, these leaves, you guys. It is a beautiful fall day. It's like 60 or 80 degrees out here. Woo! Hey crafters, let's go to Walmart. Really cool though. Yeah, they got them here. Craft section and art. Some really cool ones in here. Scrapbooking, carding. Oh, there's some more. This is a really cool one. That's a really cool one too. And then you have these. This company, they kind of, I guess that's a good price. I don't know. Learn how to knit for beginners. Or crochet, crochet. Yeah. Really cool. I always want to learn how to knit or crochet. I love beads, you guys. Look at the beads. This light's going on. I can see. This is a really good deal down here. These beads. Really pretty color. Like, so I'm going to make beads for my small business, so I have to look at these. Ooh, look at this one right here. This is a good kit. Bead and cord thing. Y'all remember friendship bracelets? This is really cool too. Ooh, these beads are wonderful. I love them. They're glittery. These beads are so cool. The alphabet beads, like, those are really cool. Oh, I'm gonna get my hair done with these beads. Yeah, all the time. Look at these colors. So pretty. There's red. Hey crafters, let's make jewelry. I love beads and accessories. Markers! I love markers, you guys. These are cool ones. Skin tone. These are really pretty. Ooh, not bad as Copic though. Copic's way better. Yeah. Crisp color. Snowflakes. It's time for lunch break. Tasty tacos, yay! From Iowa. I got home, you guys. It's a long day out shopping, looking around, and for my crafting supplies for my small business. So this is Craft Vlog 6. I'm with the Tasty Tacos, a Latino restaurant in Iowa. It's really, really good. You guys should come to Iowa, try this out. It's really good. This is 2 flour tacos. I put extra cheese on mine all the time, and it's really good. The hot sauce is good, but I put mild sauce on mine instead. And then I got this drink right here from the gas station across the street, and it's not 7-Eleven. I'm pissed that 7-Eleven's going out of business, and I'm also pissed that Kmart doesn't exist anymore. I wish I could buy 7-Eleven and Kmart and rebrand them and make them come back and make them better. So I just love it, and this is really good, you guys. I hope you guys like this part of the vlog. I'm hungry. I'm gonna tear this up. Have a good night, you guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. If not, it'll be another totally new vlog. Another crafty vlog with me. My name is I Am Dee Crafts. My life's a crafters. Hope you're having a great day. This is number 6, you guys. So after 10, I won't say the numbers anymore. I'm just doing it up to 10. So I'm so happy I'm doing these videos. It's gonna be so excited when I finally open up my small business. But I'm having fun on this journey of showing you things I bought for my business. It's gonna be fun and excited for you and me. So I hope we come back for number 7, and it's gonna be exciting. The things I want to show you is gonna be more better than I thought I was gonna do in this video. So be have fun. I got some lip gloss on, kind of too shiny, but with my glasses on. So thank you so much. Have a great day and keep crafting no matter what.